Want to know if your crush is a soulmate or a Sagittarius with commitment issues? Let's ask GPT. It knows everything. Okay, so first I find this astrology tab on chat, so I'm thinking this is what I need. I ask him if he does birth charts. Yay, it's a yes. I add my birth details to get my birth chart. So much info, it's a lot. I ask to make a love match. Are we good together or not? That's why I'm here. I'm crushed, you know. Sadly, I got ditched by chat. He wants to transfer me to another website, which is a fail in my book. Have to find another way with chat. Stay tuned, I will be back.